Okay, this is just a very brief tutorial for how to save a Google document as a Word document. So here I am in a Google document. You can see that I'm in Google Docs. You can see that I can make changes or share or anything like that. But what we want to do is we want to go over here to File. And then we want to go to either make a copy or document detail. Let me take a look. One sec. All right, so we're here in File and we go down to Download, and then it shows you that you can download as a Word document or a PDF or a web page, but these are the two options you want. So you want to download it as a Word document or as a PDF document. And if you choose that, let's say I'm going to choose Word document, it's going to give me a place to save the file. And then when I click, or you can open it with Word if you want to, you can click on OK. And then you can find that in your downloads file on your computer. So if you go here to your files and your documents, you're going to be looking for your downloads, and you can see that that is saved as a Word document in my downloads. Okay. So that is how you save your work as a PDF to be able to upload it in a format that your instructor can open. You can also click on this and share the link, but you have to make sure that you're not just copying this and put it in, or I won't have access to it. So you can share the link by using the share button and give me access to it if you're unable to do the download and save as that PDF or Microsoft Word. But these are the preferred options. All right, that should clear up any trouble that you're having with that. Let me know if you need more help.